Hey, and welcome to another vlog. This month, February, we have been playing around with a new toy we got. We got an Insta360 X3 camera. It's a sort of action cam and it films 360 degrees around it, which makes for a really cool, weird, warbly footage, which looks like we're really big and the planet's really small, or it can follow you, or it can do a bunch of cool stuff. We're still figuring out exactly what we can do with it, with editing software anyway, because it films 360 degrees around you. The best thing is that I don't have to worry about filming as much when we're on hikes or on adventures, etc., which is really nice. The work starts afterwards when you have to select from the 360 degree view. Anyway, so you'll be seeing some of that in this vlog, and we have the best month for trying that out. We went on this really long, big hike to Mount Summers, which was really cool, but very intense. It took us about, I think, 7 hours to walk that. And one of the best parts for this month, we went to Stewart Island and the Catlins as well, on a little road trip together with Marcia, which was just incredible. It was so cool. I won't spoil it too much, but we've seen some incredible wildlife while we were there. We've seen waterfalls, we had beautiful weather, we've been very, very lucky, and we just had overall such a great time. The forests were just so amazing, and I can't wait for you to see all of that and to share it with you. So hope you enjoy it, and let me know what you think. See ya! Hey, it is Thursday today. We've just finished dinner and today was my last day for this week. Just a short week with 3 days, and tomorrow, Friday, we are leaving for Dunedin. We are on Saturday going to Invercargill, and then we are flying to Stewart Island to be there for a couple of days. And then we come back, I think, on Wednesday. And then we go to be in the Catlins for a couple of days as well before we head back home to Christchurch. We'll be meeting Marja in Stewart Island and then also traveling to the Catlins together. So I got quite a cool adventure planned for the upcoming week. So yeah, tonight we're just packing. We've never been to Stewart Island before. We've booked a Kiwi tour, so hopefully we're going to be able to see real Kiwis in the wild, which will be super exciting. And the Catlins are supposed to be gorgeous. They're supposed to be so beautiful, and we've never been there either. So we've got 2 new destinations coming up, and I'm very stoked about this trip. We just arrived in our Airbnb and the views are really, really cool. We just arrived in our hostel on Stewart Island. We'll be staying here until Wednesday, and we paid for a room with 3 beds, and that is exactly what we got. And the one I'm sitting on, so it's a little bit small. I think we might get a little bit warm at night, all 3 of us sleeping in here, but we'll see how it goes. I think tomorrow is supposed to rain a little bit in the morning, but after that it's supposed to be dry, so we'll be going out on a hike, I think. And for Monday we've planned, for Monday night we planned a Kiwi sighting tour. So we'll be going at night, I think at 10, and I think it goes until 12. And then hopefully we'll be able to see some real Kiwis in the wild. That'll be very exciting.